when I was just a young lad, footloose and fancy free. Well, I went down and I went to work in the furniture factory. I got the blues.
In some ways, I describe Factory Man as a tale of two small towns and how their paths diverged two very different ways when the jobs first started going overseas. Bassett, Virginia, which has really just been decimated by all the factories that at one time really propelled the town and really made it hum, versus Galax, which is still fairly thriving. It has a different kind of economy, Galax. It's always been more diverse from the beginning, but it's a much more thriving town now with music and culture, and from every vantage point in town, you can still see the smokestacks at Vaughn Bassett Furniture, and they're working.
Well, certainly, it carries forth the history and tradition, which is important to people, to know that their history is still here and it's still moving. Being the largest employer, it impacts us economically. It still has a lot of people working. It brings people into the community. I think Mr. Bassett's very important to the community and to the nation for what he did to stand up and work for the furniture industry being here.
A lot of people having to go to different counties or states and everything to get a job. So, with John keeping this place going, he's actually helping Galax from being a ghost town.
When I got home that night, I put my feet down in a tub. Well, I got out the liniment and I began to rub. I had the blues, the furniture factory blues.